How are you guys? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Welder. Time to upgrade his ground clamp. Let's get to work.